work. Now, the subject is mathematics. The topic we choose is fraction. And this is our learning objective for the day. So first, define fraction and identify numerator and denominator. Then the next is apply fractions in daily life. So let's move on. Now, how do we explain this now? Let's go on with the work. You can see a fraction represents a part of a whole. So a good example we have here is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 simply means that one part out of two equal parts. So when you have a whole, for example, this pizza we have here, okay, for example, this pizza I have here, you can see that it's divided into 8 equal parts, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this pizza is divided into 8 parts. And if I divide it into 2 in this way, you will see that this part is 1 half. So this part is under 1 half. So that is 1 over 2 of the whole pizza. But in this time around, this pizza is divided into 8 parts, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 equal division, and this part is what we represent as the denominator, which is total parts of division. Then how many parts are we taking at a time? For example, we are sharing this pizza, let's say to 8 children. So I will give this first part to a child, so it will now be 1 over 8. So that 1 becomes the numerator, which is this. Then the 8 becomes the denominator, which is the total part. So when you share it 1 round, each child will take equal part, which is 1/8 of the pizza. Now, how does this affect our real life situation? So according to the Bible, God made it clear to us that we must learn to live a fair life and live a balanced life. We must not cheat our brothers, we must not cheat our sisters. So in this way, we can see that fraction help us to share equally. So there's always fairness when you are dealing with people so that you will not cheat anybody. So let's move to the next. So how do you apply fractions in real life situation? Like the previous slide we talked about the pizza. So you can share cake equally, like in a birthday party. Make sure you cut your cake equally. Everyone get equal slice of the cake, so that will be fair in our sharing. Like sharing of money, dividing money, you split the money equally and fairly. Each child or your friends, depend on how you are doing your sharing with whoever is involved. Then managing time. You can also divide time equally, depend on how you want to do your work. So that is that. So this will take us to our evaluation for the class. So define fraction. What is the numerator in this fraction? 3 over 4. So you can identify the numerator by picking it. Then how do you show 1 over 2 using a paper strip? And our reflection for today's class is, how can you use fraction to show fairness? How can you use fraction to show fairness? And how can you use fraction in your daily lives? So this is our video for the group presentation. So thank you so much for watching. Do have a nice day.